Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you are signed into the exact account that enforces SafeSearch. This prevents changing the wrong profile. Next, check devices and network points, router, operating system, browser extensions, and parental apps, because SafeSearch can be set in multiple places. Have admin passwords ready, and note device names so you can target each one. Once done, you'll be ready to change settings without being blocked by another layer, which saves time and prevents backtracking. You go to the search engine settings or preferences and find search settings or filters. This is where the Safe Search toggle lives. Turn the filter off, save changes, and sign out then back in to confirm changes took effect. Then, repeat those exact steps for other browsers and any alternate accounts. Also access your router's content filter and any parental control apps. Either disable their filtering or remove the supervised device. Make sure changes propagate across all devices before moving on. You finish by clearing browser cache and cookies, then restart browsers and devices so new settings apply consistently. If SafeSearch still appears, inspect DNS settings and router-level blocking. Some DNS providers enforce safe filters. Also verify family or managed account settings. Parental controls in Google Family Link or similar can reapply filters. To isolate the cause, test in an incognito window or on a different network. This tells you whether the device, account, or network is enforcing SafeSearch, so you know where to fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.